All right, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, and Responding Fire. We're going to look at what we're going to see tomorrow and why I think severe weather, even though some places have dropped the threat a little bit lower, I think with this new data, this is a little bit off. As you see, we have this low pressure system located right here, going to be spewing all these storms into tomorrow. This will be about 8 to 10 p.m. And you see how that strong line of those storms moving from the southwest to the northeast near that low. That low has a lot of rotation in it. So my thought process is we're going to probably have some wind issues with that. Let's take a look and see if we can get some other things here. I don't believe we're going to have a significant tornado threat, but I do believe we're going to have a damaging wind threat. So we'll take a look a little further. Into this. So let's see, it's Sunday, it's a little too far. Back it up a little bit. I try to get on to it so I can show you the best image possible. It looks like it's still a little early. 30, let's see. This is the STP, or significant tornado perimeter. Like I said, I don't believe it's going to be a huge issue with this at this point. I do believe we are going to see some possible damaging winds, but the tornado threat would mainly be in North Carolina and South Carolina area. So we took a look at the shear, and this is where we're going to see, I think there is where we're going to see some issues. As the shear comes to the north and west, wind energy, I hate when this happens, will move into the area, and that's what's going to cause the issues, like I said, throughout the area. So I'll move back to maybe the NAM and look further into certain things. Let's see. So I can actually get a photograaph of this. So we'll pull it to the EHI. I love when this. I love how slow sometimes these things work. But the issue, like I said, is going to be inside of the area. I don't think, like I said, it's going to be a huge threat of damaging winds or tornadoes. I mean tornadoes specifically, but damaging winds, yes, it's going to be windy up around 700 to 850, like a couple thousand feet in the air. When this gets brung down in the storms, I do see some damaging winds. This will be mainly between 5 p.m. and 11 p.m. tomorrow, so we have to look at that. And we'll keep an eye on it for you here at the Weather Pros and Responding Fire. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thank you very much.